Making money online is one of the dreams for many people, but few know that the real key to financial freedom is building passive income. Passive income means earning money without consistently trading off your time for it. One of the easiest way to start earning passive income is the creating digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, online courses, templates, graphics or softwares that you can create once and you can sell it again and again. In this video, I will show you how to get started with digital products and how you can turn them into a steady source of income. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using the smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out the tools and platforms that can help you to create and sell the digital products easily. By using the description link, any available benefits or trial offers that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's talk about the passive income. The first step to building the passive income with digital products is choosing your product type. You need to pick something that you know well, something people want and something that can be delivered digitally. For example, if you have skills in graphic design, you can create templates or design assets. Now, if you know a particular topic, you can write an ebook or create an online course. Software tools or plugins are another option if you can code or work with the developers. The main idea is to create a product and sell it multiple times without extra work for each of the times. Now after choosing your product, the next step is creating it. For ebooks, you can use these simple tools like Google Docs or Canva to design and format your book. For online course, you can use the platform like Kajabi, Teachable or the system.io that allow you to host your video lessons, quizzes or downloadable content in one place. Templates, graphics and the digital tools that can be created using design software like Canva, Figma or Adobe tools. Now the key is to focus on quality because high quality products are easier to sell and get the better reviews. Once your product is ready, the next step is selling it online. You can sell on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad or Creative Market for templates, graphics and digital downloads. Online courses can be sold on your own website using the platform like Kajabi, Teachable or the Podia. Selling through your own website that gives you more control over pricing, branding and customer relationships. You can also integrate the payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal to collect the payments automatically. By setting this up once, sales can happen without you being in the present. Marketing is the most important step for building the passive income. Digital products don't sell themselves unless people know about them. You can use the social media, email marketing or the content marketing to attract your audience. For example, if you create an ebook about the digital marketing, you can write blog post or you can post the videos on YouTube or you can share tips on Instagram to reach the potential buyers. Now, paid ads are another option if your budget allows. The goal is to set up the marketing funnels that brings new customers automatically, which keeps your income passive. Automation tool can make a huge difference. Now using the tools like Zapier or LateNote, you can automate email follow-ups, course enrollment and notifications. Once set up, these systems allow your business to run without consistent attention. This is how digital product turn into the true passive income. You can create and market the product once and the sales can continue for months or years. It's also important to scale your digital products. You can purpose your content, you can bundle the products together or create the complementary products. For example, if you have an online course, you can create a workbook or a templates to sell alongside it. So the more value you offer, the higher the chances of increasing your sales without spending much extra time. Many successful creators start with the one product and slowly build a library of digital products that sell together. Finally, building passive income with digital products requires the patience. Your first sales might take time and marketing efforts are ongoing. But once everything is set up, you can enjoy a system that generates revenue while you focus on another projects. So consistency and quality are the key here. So if you want to start earning money online and create a system that works for you when even you are not actively working, digital products are one of the best paths. So that's it basically. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to start building passive income with digital products. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.